Hi everybody, it's Kevin Pryfigal here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. So here we have featured a 2019 Ram 1500 Limited. This is a new body style 2019 Limited. This is the crew cab 4x4. This also has the 5.7 liter Hemi with the new eTorque mild hybrid system engine. Very beautiful truck. It's got a very nice, very beautiful color to it. I'm going to walk around here and cheat a little bit and show you the window sticker. This is called Ivory Tri-Coat exterior paint. If you can see, and I know it's kind of hard to see, this has a little colored pearl flake in here, and it picks up multitude of colors. Very pretty truck. Again, this is a 1500, which is a half-ton limited crew cab 4x4 with the eTorque 5.7 liter engine. This, of course, being a limited, has the 12-inch display, which is new for the 19. This also has the panoramic moonroof. The whole top of glass, or the roof is glass. This has the heated seats, front and rear. It also has the ventilated seats in the front, heated steering wheel, remote start. Just a beautiful truck. As you can see, it's got the power running boards down below here also that go in and out by themselves. Hence, that's why they're power. We're going to cheat a little bit, show you the window sticker. This also has a trailer tow group, which gives you the trailer brake controls, the power chrome trailer mirrors, which are fold away also. This also has the advanced adaptive cruise control, the 19 speaker Harman Kardon sound system. I'm not going to go through this whole thing. I would invite you to go to our website, which is sherrychrysler.com, and pull this truck up, and you can view the window sticker just as we're seeing it right now. That way you can kind of look at it also yourself and see all the options it has. But this also does have the 22-inch polished wheels also. Of course, the spray and bed liner, the LED lighting, rear backup camera, class 4 hitch, the 4-pin and 7-pin wiring. So if you tow, the backup sensors. Being a limited, it's going to have just about every option you can think of. Just a beautiful truck in that ivory white. Again, this is stock number 28482T, 2019 Ram 1500 crew cab 4x4 with the eTorque 5.7 liter engine, again, which is a mild hybrid system. That's what they call it. If you have any questions on this beautiful 2019 Ram 1500 Limited, or on anything beautiful you've seen on our lot or on the internet, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Pryfigal from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. As always, thanks for the opportunity and have a beautiful day.